video. So in this video we're gonna see how we can bind the IP address with laptop or PC's MAC address, so that if my PC or laptop got reboot, my router will provide the same IP address to my PC or any kind of devices, whatever is there. So let's see how we can do it. So let me open a browser right now. I'll open my Firefox browser and I need to log in with my router IP address. So which is most of router IP address is same, like 192.168.0.1. Mine is like 1. You can check it in your system, in your router. So here it's asking my password. I'm gonna put my router password. Or I don't need to save, and here I am. This is my router IP address, this is my router details, and I need to bind my system MAC address to my in routing table, right? So for that I need to go inside my this security tab, and here I need to click on this IP and MAC binding. I'll click on it. See, some of the system or some of the router by default it's turned off. You can turn it on by clicking on here. Mine is already turned on because I selected like this. So I have done this. This is my laptop IP address. So for suppose you want to do a new one, you will see all the connected devices list here. You need to select which device you want to bind the IP address. For that, let me check. Let me go for this 102 IP address. Okay. So if I perform MAC address binding on this IP address, so what we need to do is I need to click on here on the left side. This I need to select. So now our device is got selected, and now what I need to do is I just need to click on this bind option. So it will take some time to load it up. So now it's done. Its status is now bound. You can turn it off by clicking on here this bulb icon. I can turn it off. So that device, if got rebooted, our router will not want to provide the same IP address to that particular PC. So this, like this, you can perform. So 107 IP address, this is already I added. Let me connect with the system. I'm rebooting my system right now. So let's wait until I didn't get access right now. So let me open my terminal screen. Here my terminal screen. I will type SSH. I'll put my username and my router IP address, which is 192.168.0.107, and I press enter, and here I am able to access. If I press enter my password, and I'm logged in with my Linux machine. And this is how you can do MAC address binding in your system. And one more thing, this can be done in your operating system setting as well, but you no need to go in your router level. But I found this is a way to show you. That's why I shared this video. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.